This deer makes dog sounds. Muntjac deer, Muntjac, are a genus of small-sized deer native to Asia. They are also known as barking deer in English because they can produce barking-like sounds similar to dogs. Muntjac deer are typically small in size. They have short necks, slender legs, and compact bodies. They usually have fur in shades of brown. Males are generally larger than females. Muntjac deer are found widely across various regions of Asia. They can inhabit habitats ranging from India to China and Southeast Asia. Some species have also been introduced to regions like Europe and the United Kingdom. Muntjac deer are often found in forests, thickets, and agricultural lands. Due to their relatively small size and adaptable nature, they can thrive in various habitats. These deer are diurnal and usually roam alone or in small groups. When they sense danger, they can emit a barking-like sound. As a warning, Muntjac deer tend to flee when encountering humans and are generally more active at night. Human activities such as hunting and habitat loss pose threats to some Muntjac species.